Welcome back to the shop to part 7, maybe the final part, in Cree's Magic Door. The time has come to take it up to Baltimore and install it. So the truck is packed, everything's loaded up, all my tools are in there. Let's go up to Cree's house and install the Magic Door. A lot of this is going to be time-lapse because it was a long 2-day process, 1.5 days. But anyhow, time to go install. So here we are at Cree's house. We're on the microphone, the fuzzy microphone on top of the camera. This is the slot where this thing is going, in here. You have to open that up to put in the casing. The casing is going to go in, and then the door itself is going to go in, and here's all my tools and stuff. So a lot of this is going to be time-lapse. I'm going to be doing on one of my sports cams. I'm hanging up in the corners. But here's inside. I have to take this stud out. Let's see, there we go. Take this stud out and move it over, or just take it out and put a new stud in, going up against that stud and cutting out the sole plate and putting a new header in. So that's the kind of jibbly jabbly. And there's Cree waiting for her thing to be installed so everything will be nice and cool. So let's get it started. I'll set the camera up for the time-lapse shit and we'll just play. Okay, that was day 1. Moving on to day 2, the trim is in place on either side, doing the drywall and then finishing up the installation. There'll be probably a follow-on video when the drywall all gets done again and everything's painted. Little short video of what it looks like in place at Cree's house. So let's move on to day 2. Hey, Cree, you have your secret door.
I do.
Demonstrate your secret door for the viewing audience.
Check out, dog. You're in the way.
And there is the pantry.
And the beautiful pantry.
And the door closes up, and when it's all finished up, it's just going to look like a bookcase built into the wall.
It's beautiful.